Oh, man. Hi guys, welcome to Gem MTB. Today we're going to head off to Black Hill. I'm just trying out my new Hero 9 Max lens mod, which is, I know, old now, but I want to compare to how I've been filming and see what it looks like. So we're going to head down a track called Excavation, I think, and see how it looks. The track we're doing is called the Excavation track. It goes down here and around and down there, and it's a blue run. Big rocks in the way. Oh, man. Oh, and almost. I'll continue. Be slippery. Okay. Very too long here. Used to be really rocky here. It's not as bad now. Oh. It's a lot of fun. Bottom out here usually. Just go to the left, it's better. Keep your brakes off here. Cut between those rocks. No real boom here. We're coming up to the wall ride. Woo! Crank it up here if you can. Come out to drop off. Oh, that's pretty much it. Oh, that takes it.